What letter is it? The letter we will learn today is T.
Let's write the letters by tracing the dotted lines. Uppercase, T. Lowercase, T. Good job!
What do you see? Let's practice writing the letters in the order indicated on the dotted lines. First, from left to right. Second, from top to bottom. Good job! Let's write it twice more in a row. T.
Uppercase, T.
Let's write in lowercase too. First, from top to bottom. Second, from left to right. Let's write it twice more in a row.
T. Lowercase, T. Good job!
Let's color the letter. We have a rainbow letter T. What is hidden in the shadows? What is it? Train. T is for train. What is it? Tree. T is for tree. Tomato. T is for tomato. Good job! What is inside the capsules? There is colored clay inside the capsules. Make the colored clay thin and long. Cut one long piece of clay into one short piece and one long piece. Put the short piece on the top part and the long piece on the bottom part to make the letter.
Uppercase, T.
Let's make a lowercase t, too.
Lowercase, T.
Good job! Put the letter on the paper.
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Uppercase, T. Lowercase, T. Great job!